Okay, this is the video tutorial on Magic Light. It's called Magic Light because I don't actually know what it's called properly, but it's about using the gradient tool to change the colours in the picture or add colour, as it is with this picture. So we've got a black and white image, and we're going to try and add light coming from the lights. To do this, we're going to start off by adding a blank layer in the layer window. Easy enough. And then you need to select two different colours, one for your foreground colour and one for your background colour. So you'd have to zoom in on your colour picker, click on the foreground one and select which colour you want, click OK, and then choose your background colour. You could, if you were being fancy about this, choose to use the colour picker or the eyedropper, to actually select your colours from an image, either from a different image or from the image that you're actually working on if you wanted. Okay, then it's the gradient tool, which is G on the keyboard. It's part of the paint bucket family, which is, if your paint bucket's selected, you'll have to click and hold on that and select the gradient tool. Just a quick side point, some people seem to think you actually have to click on the little tiny black triangle to get this extra menu to pop up. You don't, just click and hold on the button itself and it will do it. And then you'll see these options at the top, not that one, and you've got the option of fade from your foreground colour to nothing, from your foreground colour to your background colour, which is the one we actually want, and you can see that happening just there. And the other option is, I'll just demonstrate what the first one does, which I think I did in lesson as well. The first one of those boxes just literally goes from one to the other. If you select the second one, which is the one we're going to use, what it'll do is, when I actually sort out what I'm doing, there we go, I can click and hold on the light, drag out, let go, and it's given me that, a circle. Next, it's easy enough, I'm just going to change my layer styles to overlay. Ta-da! There we go. You could just leave it like that, or you could get a bit more exciting with it. So I'm going to just kind of go back one step and put it back to normal mode so I can see that. I'm then going to lower the opacity, which is next to where we just changed it to overlay. Change that down so we can see through it. I'm then going to go back over to the gradient tool. I'm going to select foreground colour to nothing. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same with the other two lights. There's actually three, but I'll just do two for now. And then I'll just turn this layer back up so you can see what I've done. I've added more lighting down there. And then if I change the layer style to overlay, look at that. Work of magic.